Hello, my name's Ian Cameron and I'm the International Product Manager for the Meach Air Technology Division of Meach International. Meach Air Technology, MAT, manufactures a range of compressed air products that increase the efficiency of compressed air delivered at the point of application. In this film, I'm going to cover three products from the MAT range: the vortex tubes, the cabinet coolers and the Coldstream air guns. Meach stainless steel vortex tubes convert compressed air into two airflows. One extremely hot, the other extremely cold. They have no moving parts and can produce a drop in temperature up to 50 degrees C below the inlet compressed air temperature, as well as reaching temperatures up to 110 C above the compressed air temperature. These temperatures can be maintained to plus or minus 0.6 degrees C. So, how do they work? As the animation shows, compressed air enters the spin chamber. This causes the column of air inside the tube to rotate at speeds up to 1 million RPM. The air at the outside of the column, moving very fast, has a lot of energy and is hot. The air at the centre of the column, moving relatively slowly, has little energy and is cold. The hot outer air is bled off at one end of the tube and the cold inner air at the other. The percentage of the air exiting the cold end is called the cold fraction and is adjustable by a control valve. The cold fraction can be controlled and adjusted in two ways. Firstly, you can adjust the control relief valve. This controls the balance between airflow and temperature. The more the valve is undone, the greater the volume of air released. This in turn reduces the volume of cold air that's released. Air temperature is also affected. As the flow of cold air is reduced, the temperature of that air drops, and the same is true at the hot end. As the volume of hot air is increased, the temperature of the air drops. The second way to control the air temperature and flow is through the generator used within the vortex. The generators control the air consumption and influence the achievable temperatures. 8 generators are available for the medium vortex tubes, 4 with a high cold fraction and 4 with a low cold fraction. Each generator will achieve a different airflow and temperature range. The 8 generators offer 4 different air consumptions: 10, 15, 25 and 35 CFM. Generators can be changed according to the application needs. As shown, this can be done quickly and relatively easily. Cold fraction relates to the efficiency of the vortex. A high cold fraction refers to 50% or more of the air exiting as cold air. This setting best suits most industrial applications as it provides the most efficient cooling, although this does not provide the coldest possible temperatures. A low cold fraction is when less than 50% of the air exits the cold end. This setting allows the coldest temperatures to be achieved but is less economical. Vortex tubes are factory calibrated to a cold fraction of 70%. Vortex tubes are extremely effective at cooling compressed air. The following film shows a compressed air supply connected to a vortex tube. As the reading on the temperature probe shows, the temperature immediately drops when the air is turned on. It then only takes a matter of seconds to fall below minus 10 degrees C. It then continues to drop to the minimal level achievable with the chosen generator fitted. The control valve can be used to set the desired airflow and temperature. In addition to the outstanding cooling ability of the vortex tubes, they have no moving parts, making them very reliable and maintenance free. They are also easy to install and available in 2 sizes. Meach also manufacture 2 vortex-based products that are designed for specific cooling applications: the cabinet cooler and Coldstream gun. Meach stainless steel cabinet coolers provide a cold air source to stop cabinets and panels overheating, whilst also preventing ingress of contamination such as dust or moisture. The cabinet cooler is the ideal alternative to commonly used fan or air conditioning systems. The vortex tube is at the heart of the cabinet cooler. The cold air produced by the vortex tube flows into the cabinet cooler through the bulkhead fitting and is then ducted to a known problem component or to the centre of the cabinet. The hot air created by the opposite end of the vortex tube flows to the atmosphere via a silencer. Meach stainless steel cabinet coolers provide a cold air source to stop cabinets and panels overheating, whilst also preventing ingress of contamination such as dust or moisture. A piece of ducting tube is supplied with the cabinet cooler to allow the cold air to be easily directed. Meach cabinet coolers are supplied with a set of 4 generators, allowing an efficient setup to be achieved. The red generator is factory fitted as standard. All Meach cabinet coolers are capable of cooling up to 2,400 BTU an hour, or 703 watts. However, optimising efficiency is still a vitally important factor. To calculate which generator should be fitted for the most efficient setup, please go to either the Meach website or request a copy of the MAT brochure. In addition to the standard cabinet cooler, Meach also supply a cabinet cooler system. Meach cabinet cooling system comprises of a cabinet cooler unit, set of 4 generators, ducting hose, solenoid valve and digital thermostat control. The combination of solenoid valve and digital thermostat allows application-specific setup and minimises running costs of the system. The digital thermostat is suitable for panel mounting and provides a constant display of the temperature inside the cabinet. The on and off temperature set points of the thermostat can be adjusted so the cabinet cooler can be set to run only when required. For example, if the cabinet cooler overheats when its internal temperature reaches 32 degrees C, the digital thermostat can be set to turn the cabinet cooler on when the internal temperature reaches 29 degrees C and off once it is cooled down to 25 degrees C. This minimises running costs and gives peace of mind the cabinet cooler will not overheat. Like the Vortex tube, the cabinet cooler has no moving parts, so is relatively maintenance free. It's also NEMA 412 and IP56 rated, making it suitable for installations in harsher environments. The third product to utilise the Vortex tube is the Meach Cold Stream gun. Cold stream air guns provide a cold airflow that is commonly used for spot cooling. The Vortex tube is at the heart of the cold stream air gun, encased with a hot and cold end silencer. The cold air produced by the Vortex tube is easily directed onto the area to be cooled by use of knuckle trunking, whilst the hot air created by the opposite end of the Vortex tube flows to atmosphere via a silencer. The cold stream air gun is available in small or large, adjustable or non-adjustable versions. As the film shows, the adjustable version includes a control knob that allows accurate temperature control. A high-powered magnet is included to allow easy fitting. The flexi trunking is available in either single or double variants depending on customer needs and the application. As with both the Vortex tube and cabinet cooler, the Coldstream gun is manufactured in stainless steel, so is hard wearing. It also has no moving parts, making maintenance simple. Applications for the Vortex tube are fairly niche and unsurprisingly revolve around cooling. Generally this tends to be machine part cooling, spot cooling or weld sim cooling. The Vortex tube is commonly used in the sonic weld process. This is the process of sticking 2 pieces of plastic together. By cooling the sonic gun and cone, the weld is improved and any downtime is reduced. The cabinet coolers are suitable for all small to medium size electrical enclosures, mechanical control panels and industrial PC cooling that are prone to overheating. The Coldstream air guns are traditionally used to cool specific areas and processes. These can include cutting, grinding, milling and drilling machines. Coldstream air guns can be used in practically any process where there may be a build-up of heat. To summarise, Meach Vortex tubes, cabinet coolers and Coldstream air guns offer many features and benefits over other solutions. These include, unlike some alternative cooling systems that require annual servicing, the Vortex products require virtually no maintenance. All products are small in size, allowing them to be fitted into tight spaces. As they have no moving parts, they are also easy to set up and install. The use of generators allows the application-specific setup. Vortex products are all manufactured in stainless steel, making them suitable for harsh environments. All Meach products feature inbuilt safety features. Thank you for spending the time to watch this video. For further information on any Meach product, please take a look at our website.